Have you ever not been ready for something? Like when you drop your milk on the carpet and suddenly you realize you're out of paper towels? Or maybe that exam and that dream where you end up taking the test naked. Well, neither have I. Well, luckily, I'm ready to ask you to subscribe to this channel today. Can you help me out and hit that subscribe button and the little bell thingy for notifications? Make an old guy happy. Are you ready for other old school marketing tips? Every so often, you should be sending out press releases, letting people know what's going on with your business. It might be to do with current events, a promotion, a new member of your staff, or anything really. Now, if the newspaper wants more information, maybe they'll check out your website first, or email you and ask you for more information and a picture. There is much more chance of them publishing your story if they can find out all of that information and any other background information as quickly as possible. So what you need is a press kit available to download on your website, also known as an e-kit. This press kit should contain photos of your products, staff, offices, as well as company biography and any other relevant information. That might be awards or other notable customers or projects you're working on. A press kit can be a very useful and often underused part of marketing.